Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to download code from GitHub page. This video is for beginners who don't know what Git is and don't have Git installed. If you know what Git is, you can skip this video. Let's first see what GitHub is. GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. This platform offers the distributed version control and source code management functionality of Git plus its features. These includes wikis and essential task management tools for every project. Now, if you want to download a code from one of my videos, you need to check the link in the description. Click on it. It will open the GitHub page for my repository and the current branch where the code is. To download the code, you need to click on the code button and from the drop-down menu select Download Zip. It will ask you where you want to save the file, choose a location and click Save button. Suppose you want to check other branches and download codes for some other videos, you need to go here. Click on the current branch name and select the branch name you want to switch from the drop-down. And you can now download the code for another video. You can check its official documentation if you want to learn more about GitHub. And if you want to learn Git, I recommend you to check out this ProGit online book. You can find links to both resources in the description. I hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, bye!